Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sushi vinegar, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of unseasoned rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Using good quality rice vinegar is key to achieving that authentic, delicate flavor. Precise measurements are crucial for balancing the sweet and tangy notes, so make sure to measure carefully. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to combine them. Carefully pour the 1/2 cup of rice vinegar into a small saucepan. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt directly into the vinegar. Use a whisk or spoon to stir the mixture gently. This initial stirring helps to start the dissolving process, ensuring everything blends together smoothly before we apply any heat. With your ingredients combined, place the saucepan over low to medium heat on your stovetop. It's important to stir the mixture continuously during this step. The goal is to gently warm the vinegar just enough for the sugar and salt to completely dissolve, creating a clear solution. Remember, you must avoid bringing the mixture to a boil, as this can diminish the vinegar's delicate acidity and flavor. Once the sugar and salt are fully dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat right away. Let the sushi vinegar cool down completely to room temperature. This step is essential for preserving its flavor. Once cooled, transfer your homemade sushi vinegar into a clean, airtight container. You can store this versatile seasoning in your refrigerator for up to several weeks, ready to elevate your sushi rice and other dishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.